Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to share with you maybe one more technique. So anyway, this is how we left off last time. I kind of put a gray wash over it to make it kind of monochromatic. You could do it another way too, just by, going to a layer effect down here, or I'm sorry, image, and then you can go to adjustment, and then you can, go out monochromatic by doing channel mixers and a bunch of other different stuff. But anyway, that's that. But again, be creative. So again, I am at the layer of the gray color. If I get rid of that gray color, I get my color back, right? So on the gray color, what if I start to erase some parts of it? So I have my eraser here. If you don't already have this tab here on the side, you can click this folder, which gives you different types of brush. So let's get this brush that's a little bit grungy, right? And then I'm still in my eraser mode, so which is great. And then let's go to the bracket, and then let's just kind of see how it just, and maybe that's a little bit too rough. So I just come back in here and just kind of slightly hit certain parts to bring a little bit of color back, right? So then you get this really cool little kind of sort of gray, kind of sort of color, but not really. And yeah, so again, like go to town and try to push the envelope a little bit and do something very unique. All right guys, thank you, and we'll see you next time.